Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to export something from DaVinci Resolve on desktop and import it to DaVinci Resolve on the iPad. For those of you guys that don't know, DaVinci Resolve on iPad is a completely free download, and I go over it more in a video I did not too long ago. Actually, feel free to check it out. But it's pretty simple right now. Right now, I'm on my project. It's called Untitled Project 1. I go over here to Home, and then I select the project I want. Then I hit Export. Once I hit Export, it will ask me to save where I want it to save. And then simply, I just hit Close. And that's all we need from the desktop. On the iPad, then, we open DaVinci Resolve, and then we click on the Home button down right-hand corner, and then we select Import. And I actually saved it on my T7, Samsung T7. I did a whole review about that, and it is compatible with my iPad Pro that I'm using, so that's perfectly great. And then I go to the DRP file. That's the extension for DaVinci Resolve. I also note that you'll have to be on DaVinci Resolve 18 on desktop for that to work, but you do not, and I repeat, do not have to have DaVinci Resolve Studio for this to work. So this is a completely free feature as far as I know. I just imported that, select it, double select, hit don't save because we don't want to save the current project. And as you can see, it cannot find any of the media here. So what we will have to do is we will have to actually find the locations ourselves. So let's drag, let's long press, and then relink selected clips. They should all be on our T7. So we just click open there. And yeah, it did manage to find them just fine, which is very good. Now, the only thing it could not find is the text file, which is, I guess it's okay. Technically, this is bound to be some kinks to work out. In theory, I could try exporting it as an XML and re-importing it in here, but as long as all the files are found, then they will work for the most part. It kept all the color grading and everything because this is a Resolve file. So if we go to color grading, it keeps it how I have it color graded. I was just playing around with this so I could show you guys, and yeah, that's honestly about it. And then if I was ready, I could just hit export and then export it there, and bada bing, bada boom. The same works in reverse. You would just go click on home and then export and then import it back into the desktop version. Now just keep in mind that, like you saw there, you will have to relink the clips. So make sure you save the clips, import them wherever. Like I said, I use a Samsung T7. The iPad picks it up, no problem and stuff. But other SSD, external SSDs will work. You can use, if you have it, you can use Black Magic Cloud, that's always an option. And yeah, or you can just use good old iCloud if you are, well, yeah, if you are so inclined. But yeah, I'm going to end it here. Hopefully you guys found it helpful in some way, shape, or form. And I will catch you guys in the future. Later.